Hi YouTube. If you need to wiggle your charger on the Alcatel smartphone, I'm not even sure what model this is. I'm gonna add it in the description later. But if you have to move it around and to charge it, so take it apart and touch up the USB-C connector pins because these were broken off. And also I made sure to tighten these posts, so the inside port is not wiggling around, because these were a little bit loose, so I had to press them in with the screwdriver, make sure they are nice and tight, and then solder the port. And I'm gonna show you how to take this Alcatel apart easily without damaging anything. So let me just put it back together and give me 1 second. So I believe this is Alcatel MetroPCS Alcatel 3V5032W. So I put it all together for your pleasure to see, and it's pretty tight. This is pretty good quality plastic here. So in order to open it up without damaging anything, without damaging the frame or the back cover, the easiest way I found, I was just struggling for a little bit with it. So the easiest way I found to open it up is, first you need to remove the SIM card tray. Okay, removing SIM card tray. This one's out. Okay, the SIM card's already here. So next, get one guitar pick that is a little bit bigger, and as you can see, this is the SIM card tray. So you have to kind of insert it and kind of twist it a little bit, this plastic, but don't force it too much, don't break it. Okay, and when you take this out a little bit, when you pry it out a little bit, you need to insert another one. This is the smaller one I use, the 0.58 millimeter one. So you insert it in this opening right here, which you create. Let me make it bigger a little bit. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I do here. Okay, see, this is in, that's it. You leave this one out, and now you just run it all around the frame. Okay, just like this, all around the frame, losing all the connections there inside the frame. Just run it around like that. Okay, a little bit here. Also, when you open up, make sure to push in the fingerprint reader so it doesn't come out. Is the case, and that's it. So this is the way you open up this MetroPCS Alcatel 3V5032W phone to do any repairs the proper way, so you don't damage anything here. So when you put it back together, it's gonna be like it was never opened. Okay, and as I said, I was just doing the charging port touch up on it. So that's about it. So let me put it all back in place. Okay, so that's it. No damage, it's all beautiful. All right, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe, put that thumbs up, and I appreciate you. Thank you very much, guys. Bye, have a good day.